going again. You can now, if you look at my long section now, you can see that that hydraulic grade line is within the pipe. Okay, it was sitting down the bottom here before, and it's followed all the design criteria that so we don't have any surcharge in the manholes. Because it's not above the pipeline, it's obvious that the capacity of the pipe is enough for all the individual flows. Alright, we come and have a look at our hydrology reports. So this is under our storm analysis button. I can open up the file that it's written, and you can see how it's made its calculations. There's our time of concentrations, our intensities, runoffs, areas. Okay, that's the hydraulic calculation, the rational formula that's come up with our flows in litres per second. I close that and we go down and have a look at the hydraulics report. Here we have a summary. Okay, there's all our default values at the top. We've got the pipe type, the length, the size in millimetres. We've got the grade expressed as a percentage and a 1 in grade. Full area time and concentration. We keep going along here. You'll see that we have a pipe flow, so that's what's calculated in our hydraulics report, and a capacity for each of the pipes. Okay, I've actually got an extra pipe set up here. That's the one I did last week that I haven't given any kind of catchment data to. But if you look at, so I now have a pipe flow right at the top of 9.1 litres per second, for instance, and a capacity flow of 148. Okay, it's also expressed as a ratio on the right hand side, and it goes through and does, I mean, it does 1,000 different bits of information that it provides for us instantly. You can see it's picked off the smallest pipe that was available to it in that pipes.pip file that I told it to read was a 225. That's why it's so over, there's so much capacity, and it's carried on until that wasn't big enough, and it's changed up to a 300. Alright? So that is the storm analysis function. And I apologise for, so just bear in mind, so that to make life easy for you in the assignment, before you start the assignment, make sure you select that pit type, AL2D or whatever it was, so we know that we're not going to have any problems. So we shouldn't have the same issues that we've had tonight. Make sure that you draw your catchment polygons in a catchment model. It's got to match the way it's written in our utility model under our global. What other curly ones are you going to get? Has anyone else tried to hit the storm analysis button yet and managed to get, did you get a result?
Where is it? You probably have some of those. Get a lot of Filipino ones.
I actually do. My business is Filipino.
You know Filipino was a guy. Filipinos do, right?
Yeah, he guy.
Oh, okay.
I've got a few girlfriends.
Everything about us for years. Slowly work our way to
Yeah, they do it. They
as long as we have a common somewhere, partying, drinking, large quantities of karaoke. Okay, the karaoke thing.
get quite happy people.
Yeah.
They're so happy on
It's called.
Alright, if it's having trouble on a couple of them,
yeah.
it's
Spurge eating.
it had a bit of trouble reading the WCC.12D hydro. If it does, just shift that